So right now, we've changed the brake pads. It should last another 36,000 miles most likely. So we're good to go on that. And I just want to thank everybody. We're about today, as of today, we're close to 800 subscribers. And I just want to thank everybody that's subscribed. If you like my video, if they help you out, just go ahead and comment. Just let me know how it worked out for you. I always enjoy listening and seeing how my videos have helped people out, just like I do. I research videos. For this video, I didn't really research it. That's why some of the stuff was new to me, just because but brakes are brakes. They vary a little bit differently, but brake pads are brake pads. Like I noticed today, the wear sensors are a little different. But if you like the video, if it helped you out, or any of my other videos, just go ahead and comment. I'm pretty good at responding. If there's anything else that you may be having issues with, I'm always willing to help. And that's what the car community is about. It's just helping each other out. And obviously the worst thing that you can have, not the worst thing, but it's pretty bad when something goes wrong with your vehicle, or you put a lot of times your hard work, money, and energy into it. And when something goes wrong with it, it's your main source of transportation. So I always do these videos just to help people out, like I've been helped out. And a lot of times I can afford a lot of these nicer cars, like the Porsche 911, like the Escalade, like a Tesla that I'm looking at right now. So most of the times I can afford that because I don't have to worry about the maintenance. And that's a big part of it, and that's hopefully, for those enthusiasts out there that enjoy, nice cars, but sometimes think, I can't afford it because of the maintenance. The Porsche 911 is $380 for an oil change at a dealership. I do mine for about 85 bucks, just the oil and the filter. And, I had my daughter do it the last time. I have a video. So it's stuff like that that allows me to enjoy, maybe a little bit nicer car than I'd like to spend, and sometimes, I have kids and I have my budgets, and obviously my kids come first. So a car, even though if it's a hobby, I'm an enthusiast and I love vehicles, I've had the Corvette, the Cobra, the Porsche 911, but it's something that, doing stuff myself, not only do I enjoy it, even if I was a millionaire or billionaire or whatever, I would still probably be tinkering with my cars. I would just have a much nicer garage. I would have a nice lift in my garage instead of having to go to my brother's house. So, I enjoy working on cars. Like, this is my father-in-law's car. And I told him, whenever you need anything, before you go to a mechanic, just let me know. A lot of these things I can solve myself, or I can look into it if I've never figured it. And I love tinkering. I love figuring, learning new things, and that's something that, that's why I have this YouTube channel. That's where I share. I share, you kind of give back. You receive from all the people that have uploaded these videos and all the knowledge on the internet and forums. So this is my way of giving back, because I can enjoy the Porsche 911, I can enjoy the Escalade, and hopefully soon a Tesla, because I don't have to worry about a $1,000 bill to replace something that can take me an hour to do. So that kind of thing is, what I guess my way of giving back to that community, to that car community that's also given to me. So I just want to thank you all. We're up to 800 subscribers, and I enjoy it. My daughters enjoy looking at the YouTube channels and looking at themselves on there, and part of it, part of the reason I do it is also for them. They really enjoy it, and I'm hoping to do some more videos with them, and hopefully teach them how to work with cars. That's my dream. I have 3 girls, and they're incredible girls, and they definitely have some of that in their blood as far as the car enthusiasm. So I'm hoping they follow in my footsteps, and I'm hoping that I can teach them something that will help them out, whether they do it as a hobby or not. It's something that, it's another reason that I do these videos. So I just want to thank everybody out there, and hopefully, we'll get to 1,000 subscribers soon. And just subscribe, hit the notification bell if you haven't already, like the video, comment, and I thank you all.